Matapos ang kanyang bronze medal finish sa all-around event. Gold naman ang nasungkit ni Paris Olympics-bound Filipina-American gymnast Emma Malabuyo para sa floor exercise ng Women's Artistic Gymnastics Asian Championships na ginanap sa Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Nakakuha pa ng gintong medalya ang Filipina-American gymnast na si Emma Malabuyo sa katatapos lamang ng Women's Artistic Gymnastics Asian Championships sa Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Nakapagtala si Malabuyo ng 13.300 points upang pagreynahan ng kanyang pet event na floor exercise kontra sa mga pambato ng China at Kazakhstan. Ito na ang ikalawang medalya ng 21-year-old UCLA gymnast sa nasabing kompetisyon na matatanda ang nakasungkit ng bronze sa individual all-around. Dahil sa kanyang bronze medal finish, si Malabuyo na ang ika-4 na national team gymnast na makasama sa Paris Olympics.
And I am just super overwhelmed and speechless right now, and I still can't believe that I qualified to Paris. You know, this has been a dream ever since I was a little girl, and just putting in so much hard work and just staying persistent with this dream and never giving up, it means so much to me.
Pangako pa ni Malabuyo, mas pag-iigihan niya ang ensayo bago ang nakatakda niyang kampanya sa Olimpiada.
But I know that I'm going to continue to work hard and just get better on each event. I know that I just want to keep improving, but I just want to say that I'm so thankful for all the fans and I appreciate all the love and support.
Samantala, nakapagbulsa rin ng bronze medal ang isa pang Paris Olympic qualifier na si Levi Ruivar para naman sa uneven bars. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.